In rural communities across Ethiopia, distance and cost often make basic eye care inaccessible. But through Last Mile Health's partnership with the Ethiopian Ministry of Health and financial support from Livelihood Impact Fund, we're bridging that gap. Today, we celebrate a major milestone. More than 200,000 people have received near vision glasses. This means 200,000 lives transformed. Community health workers receive training that prepares them to screen for presbyopia. They can then fit patients with the near vision glasses, instantly restoring clear sight.
ዛሬ አሁን ለምሳሌ 103 ሰው ሰርተናል። ከ103ቱ ደግሞ ሪፈር አለን፣ ስክሪን ኖርማል ይሆናለን፣ መነጽር ይወሰዳለን። አይ በጣም ደስተኛ ናቸው።
እየታገልኩ ይሰራ ነበር። ኑሮዬን በጣም አጎስቁሏል። ለምን ቢባል ከዚህ በፊት አንድ ላጠና የምሰራውን ግማሽ ቆጥ መስራት ጀመርኩ። ከተወሰነ ሰዓት በኋላ ይሄ መነጽር ባይኖር ስራውን ማቆም ብቻ ነው ተስፋዬ፣ ሌላ ነገር የለብኝም ነበር። ሄጄ ተመርምሬ ገንዘብ አውጥቼ ለመግዛት የልጆች አባት ነኝና ኑሮ አልፈቀደኝም። አሁን ሁለተኛ አይኔን አግኝቻለሁ ብዬ ተደስቻለሁ። በዚህ ሰርቼ ቤተሰቦችን ማስተዳደር ይችላል።
Every patient has a story, and Tesfayes is one of more than 200,000 and counting. This milestone shows us what's possible. Community health workers are reaching the hardest to reach communities with essential eye care, restoring independence and livelihoods. Together, we can make better vision and better lives the reality for millions of people in Ethiopia.